Unity software to be explained on 5 October. So let's go here today's video. As you can see, I will go and show this for you here. As you need a raw ripe fragment is going to be one of things that should be related to what is going to be absolutely explained, because it really goes like this and then increase and then it goes to be another decrease, increase and then increase, decrease and then increase again. Not going to be even a side of a good luck thing, but it should be have a side of having problem with another part if that goes to be thing that is available for who want to go to understand everything that is needed here. Not going to be even the side that is really have the good thing always on every part, but it should be have some purposes and disadvantages on every side here, if that goes to be required for every part here on Unity stock. And that is absolutely the side what is happening through. If you see this, really very important to understand in every side in the Unity software, and that is really goes to be appreciating the thing that is going to be wanted on Unity software, and that is about to make such on the increase and decrease then increase again.